I'm Claudio Arefice from High Tech Conversions, and I'm here to show you our new patent-pending cleanroom polyester wipe dispenser called the GRAB-EEZ 2. Let me explain to you how cleanroom polyester wipes are typically processed. They're laundered in the cleanroom laundry. They're dried in that laundry. A big pile of these dried wipes are placed in the middle of this large table surrounded by workers, and each worker has to take a wipe off the pile and meticulously stack them so that each edge is very straight so that they can later put them into a cleanroom bag. This is done 150 times per bag. Very time consuming, very costly. Then when an end user gets one of these bags and they bring it into the clean room, they have to rip open the bag. The pile is already messed up a little bit. And workers, when they need one wipe, they go over and they'll grab one, but usually grab 2, 3, maybe even 4. So when a customer is paying, say, $25 for a bag of wipes, and someone habitually takes just one extra wipe, they're in effect paying $50 for that bag of wipes. If they take 2 extra, they're paying $75 for that bag of wipes. If they take 3 extra wipes, they're really paying $100 for that bag of wipes. Yet the invoice says $25. We now have wipes that are bulk packed. Takes far less time. Therefore, our cost is far less and your price would be far less. They come in bags designed to fit in our dispenser, which is made out of 316 stainless steel. It sits nicely on a work surface. It has 4 holes on the back. It can be mounted on a wall. The best feature is our floating cover. It's designed so that it contains the wipes, but only one wipe comes out at a time. So you eliminate cross-contamination, you eliminate waste. It's nicely contained, and we are able to offer cost savings and savings due to less waste. If any of you use the polycellulose wipes, which are flat, we have the GRAB-EEZ 1, our original GRAB-EEZ, also stainless steel. And if you're interested, you can go to our website and look for GRAB-EEZ 1.